Dear students, our next chapter number 2 is exploring computer components. Okay, in this chapter we are going to read about different parts of the computer. Okay, so exploring computer components means the different parts of the computer. Okay, in this chapter, we will cover input device, central processing unit, output device, memory device, and portable memory devices. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about input devices. So as we know, input devices are different types of input device and such type of devices which helps us to input data into the computer. Okay, for example, to enter any text, to enter any video, to enter any voice, so different types of to enter any picture inside the computer, which devices helps us to input such type of data inside the computer are known as input devices. So here you can see the different types of input devices are showing here, like keyboard, scanner, mouse, web camera. So dear students, this is not only the limit, or we can say this is not only the number of devices which is available for input device. There are lots of more input devices are available, but these are the main general purpose. These are the main general purpose devices, okay, which uses for the computer. So first of all, let's see the keyboard. So you all are aware about this device. This is the keyboard, and this keyboard helps us to input the typing text inside the computer, is it? So like alphabet, number, symbols, different types of symbols. So this is the keyboard which helps us to type in anything into the computer, and this keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard, and this QWERTY keyboard is also known as the universal keyboard. Okay, why this is the QWERTY keyboard? Because the, as written here, from the first 6 letter of the top left alphabet row, means first 6 letter QWERTY, this first letter is available. So when we purchase any keyboard, we should ask to the seller to give you the QWERTY keyboard. So because QWERTY keyboard uses anywhere on any computer. Okay, and the format of the keyboard is same as the typewriter, therefore it is the universal keyboard, and those person know the typing on the typewriter, they can also type on the QWERTY keyboard. Okay, after that our next input device is mouse. All of you aware about this device also, but a mouse is the basic input device of a computer. It controls the movement of the cursor or pointer on the display screen, is it? So computer is mouse is divided in 4 category. Okay, let's see the different category of the mouse. So first is the mechanical mouse. Dear student, this is the mechanical mouse. In this mechanical mouse, this is the front side and this is the opposite sides of the mouse. So in this type of mouse, here you can see a rolling ball inside this hole. Okay, when this ball will roll, the pointer will move on the screen everywhere. Okay, so for this type of mouse, we need a plain surface, or we can say the mouse pad is compulsory for this type of mouse. Okay, after that, the second category of the mouse is optical mouse. In this type of mouse, the LED light works inside the mouse, and this type of mouse does not work this is also not work in the plain surface. It is also need a rough surface, but you can use this type of mouse anywhere. Okay, so this is the optical mouse where LED light uses inside the mouse. After that, laser mouse. Okay, so laser mouse means this type of mouse uses the infrared laser, like your remote control of the television. Okay, so this type of mouse, no need to any particular type of surface, anywhere it can be work, on your palm, on your lap, anywhere it can be work. Okay, and the last is Bluetrack mouse. Okay, so this is the Bluetrack technology which is introduced by the Microsoft. This is the Bluetrack, and this is also very easy to use and to keep anywhere. Okay, it no need to be a particular mouse pad. So these are the 4 types of mouse: mechanical mouse, optical mouse, laser mouse, and Bluetrack mouse. Okay, after that, next input device is scanner. Okay, dear student, you know the scanner, which device that scan the image, printed text or object and converts it into a digital image. Okay, so if you want to input any type of picture or text or any other photograph inside the computer, so it will help us to input the such type of images or text inside the computer. So the category of the scanner are divided in 3 parts here. First is a handheld scanner. You can see this is the handheld scanner. It is scans, but it is helps very easy to user for the holding by the user. So this is handheld scanner. After that, the flatbed scanner. This is simple as Xerox machine, which is when you will keep inside the photograph and it will be scan the photograph inside the computer. So it is simply as the Xerox machine. And the third is a drum scanner. So this is the drum scanner. It is scans a big document. Okay, any big type of document or big type of picture helps to scan inside the computer. So these are the 3 different types of scanner: handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, and drum scanner. And our next input device is web camera. You know, friends, this is for conferencing. This is for direct photo. If you want to keep your photograph direct inside the computer, you can use this. Okay, this is nowadays this is very useful for us, web camera. And except these all input devices, there are so many lots of input devices are available, like joystick. This is also known as a pointing device. This device is used to play the video game. Okay, so this is the joystick. After that, OCR, optical character reader. This is the a type of input device which scan the text printed on a paper that is converts into graphical text or machine language, you can say. So this is the type of one OCR software input inside the computer, and when the data will input inside the computer, the OCR will convert that into a digital or graphical text. Okay, so this is the also an input device. After that, the MICR, magnetic ink character reader. Okay, this type of this is a special type of, we can say, a machine which can recognize only the magnetic ink. Magnetic ink like which is available, you can see if you will notice on your any type of check which is issued by the bank. Such type of check uses the magnetic ink character. So this magnetic ink character reader is a device which only recognize the magnetic inks. Okay, after the light pen. Light pen is nothing but you can say a touch screen type of pen which is used to input data inside the computer. After that, barcode reader. This is the barcode reader. Maybe you have seen this type of scanner in different types of mall where for the making of your purchasing bill. Okay, so this is the barcode reader which only recognize this barcode. Okay, after that, the QR code reader. You know about the QR code reader. Okay, another type of input device is microphone to input your voice inside the computer, and the last is digital camera. This is also a type of input device because this device helps us to input our photographs inside the computer. Okay, dear student, today we discuss about the different types of input devices, and next we will discuss about the different types of processing units. Okay, thank you.